Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID not available in your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to fix this type issue that your Face ID is not available, so let's see how can you fix that. So this is very simple. You just have to go back from here, and very first you have to make a force reset, but you have to check your software update. If you have any pending software, please go for settings here, go for general here, software updates here, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. Or once you have done, you have to go back and go for screen time settings, and you have to disable all the restrictions. So go for content and privacy restriction and disable all the restrictions from here. If you find enable, disable that toggle. Then go back and go for Face ID and passcode and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If you're still having the same issues, we have to go back and make a force restart this phone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, the press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's start this. You have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. It might take a moment, so you must have to wait for it. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it will almost fix your issue. Or if this didn't work for you, so you can also try to make reset all your settings. So now you have to wait for this. And now you just have to unlock your device. Then open settings app and then go for Face ID and passcode and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If you're still having the same issues, open your general settings again. Go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings. Now continue this step and then your all setting will be resetted, so it will fix your issue because Face ID doesn't work when you have any wrong settings on your iPhone. And once you have reset all of your settings, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.